All right, so this is a warm-up problem for today. I'm going to run through this example with this one. I'll do another example with the graphing calculator, and then you'll have a problem to try at the very end. First thing to do, we've got our data set here. We're just going to check to make sure that we're in ascending order from smallest to largest, which we are. We can answer. We need to answer the minimum, first quartile, median, third quartile, and our maximum number. So now that it's in order, or since it's in order, we know our minimum is going to be 3. We know our maximum is going to be 19. Now we're going to count how many numbers do we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 numbers. Half of 10 is 5, so we know that the fifth number is going to indicate where the middle is, right? So in this case, I've got the middle is going to fall in between 7 and 11. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the left side of the median, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the right side. I just want to check that. So I know that my median is going to fall in between 7 and 11. So I'm just going to go 7 plus 11. I'm going to find the average. I've got two numbers, so I'm going to divide it by 2. 7 plus 11 is 18. Divided by 2 gives me 9. So I know my median is going to be 9. And then now I'm going to find what's the median of the lower half of the numbers. So again, I've got 5 numbers here. I know that the middle is going to be 6. Here I've got 5 numbers above. The middle number 14 for quartile 3. Right? So you find the median. After you find the median of all the numbers, then you find the median of the lower half and then the median of the upper half. So now I can just plug my numbers in. My minimum is going to be 3. First quartile is 6. My median is going to be 9. Third quartile will be 14. And my maximum is going to be 19. Now all I have to do is just drag the box plot into place. So minimum is 3. First quartile, this line right here, is 6. My median is 9. Third quartile is 14. So that's already lined up. And then my max is at 19. So that's already all set. I'm just going to hit submit. Make sure I got it right. Good to go. Okay, and then they show you the information here, right? If I wanted to do this, let me just erase this stuff. All right, so now if I want to use my graphing calculator for this, first thing, I got numbers in here already. I'm just going to go hit stat. I go 4 for clearing it, and then L1, that one right there. So I hit second and 1, gives me enter, cleared the list. Now I go back to stat. I press 1 for going in there. It looks like a spreadsheet. I don't need to have these numbers in ascending order when I put them in the graphing calculator. It'll take care of all that. So let me just type in my numbers. I got 6, 7, 9, 9, 10, 14, 14, 15, 17, 17, 19. All right. So I want to double check, make sure I got all the numbers in there correctly. So 19, 17, 17, 15, 14, 14, 10, 9, 9, 7, and a 6. So all I got to do is hit stat. I want to go to calc to get my summary. One variable stats, the number 1. I hit enter. I just want to hit enter 3 times, make it calculate it. And now it gives me the information. Right here is my mean, but we want the bottom set of numbers. We want our minimum, first quartile, median, third quartile, and maximum. So in this case, I go, my minimum is going to be 6. All right. My first quartile is going to be 9. Right. Q1 is a 9. Median is a 14. Third quartile is 17. And my max is a 19. I'm going to go in there, and now I just need to make sure everything's lined up. My minimum is this number right here. I make it 6. Oh, well, let me go there. I got to move the quartile line first. So this is my first quartile line. This is my minimum, so it's right at 6. First quartile line is at 9. My median, I got to move up to 14. And I got to move this because it's right on that 14. So I move the third quartile there. Now I can move my median to 14. All right, so it's at 14. My third quartile is at 17. My max is at 19. So now we're going to submit our answer, and we got it right. So now next problem, I want you guys to try this problem right here. You're going to just answer what the minimum, it'll ask you what the minimum, first quartile, median, third quartile, and maximum is. All right, and then we'll move on to our lesson.